and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. I come at you guys with our Walmart couponing deals to kick off our week. Freebies you guys can grab over here at Walmart. Some really great deals. I'm super stoked. Anyways, in the description box below, I do have a link to the printable breakdown. You guys can print it out, bring it with you in the store, on your phone. It's available. Also, if you're already signed up for the rebate apps, I have my referral codes down below for that. So consider doing that as well. So anyways, guys, without further ado, let's just dive right into our Walmart deals for this week. All right, guys, we have a really good deal if you can find it at your store. It's the single cans of the Da La Cala. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's like Mexican soda. It's the 12-ounce cans. They're $2.38 at Walmart. We have a totally free rebate, just an easy, super easy manufacturer's rebate. I'll have a link in the description box. Put your information in and you'll upload your receipt and they'll give you back the full price in PayPal or Venmo. I believe you get to pick which one. So it's going to end up making it totally free, but then it gets even sweeter because Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back. So after that rebate, it makes it totally free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So an amazing deal if you guys can find it. All right, so more free Ensure Max. Even if you did this deal a couple weeks ago, it looks like it reset again. So the Ensure Max protein shakes are $3.98. Walmart Cash has a $3.98 rebate. So you'll pay $3.98, get back $3.98, makes it free. If you're not aware of Walmart Cash and how to use it, I do have a tutorial video. I will have that in the description box for you guys. It's tutorial on how to use Walmart Cash. It's really cool. So you'll get that back and it'll make this free. So nice. All right, so we still have a moneymaker Persil deal at Walmart. It's on the Persil, the Intense Fresh, the 34-ounce. It is actually on clearance for just $2, down from $5.54. And the rebate on Ibotta, it reset. It's for $2.50 back. So it ends up making it free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. So an amazing deal if you can find it in stock. All right, guys, a new week, which means you can do the reset deals for swag bucks, be for rewards. We're talking about several. They're the ones that reset weekly instead of monthly. So one that resets every week. So if you did this last week, you can do it again. It's on the Arm & Hammer baking soda. You can still get this for free. So the 1-pound boxes are $1.47. We have a rebate on swag bucks for $3 back on 2. You can do it again this week. So it actually makes 2 of them free plus a 6-cent moneymaker, which is awesome. Then the 3-pound bags are $3.42. Go ahead and submit over to swag bucks for $6 back on 2, makes them 42 cents each. So more amazing deals for baking soda. All right, guys, we have another freebie here on the Werther's Original Caramels. These guys are $1.97 each at Walmart on rollback. Go ahead and pick up 2 of them. We have a really nice rebate over with swag bucks. It's reset for the new week. It's $4 back on 2. So after that, it makes it totally free, plus a 6-cent moneymaker for every 2 bags you get. So a really nice deal. Right, so Walmart has an awesome freebie again on this 2-ounce Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. This is $3.50. It's in the trial section, which imagine paying $3.50 for this. That's insane to me for this little tiny thing. But it's $3.50. Ibotta has $3.50 back. It says any size, any variety. So it works on this, or any size, select varieties. This is one of the select varieties. So you get back $3.50, making it free. So an awesome deal. All right, guys, such an awesome deal on the Culture Pop soda. So these guys are $1.68 at Walmart. You're going to buy 2 of them. We have a nice stack. So Ibotta actually has 75 cents back per can, which you'll get back times 2 for buying 2. Then Fetch Rewards has a rebate as well to actually get back 600 points per can, which you get back times 2 for buying 2. So 1,200 points, that's 85 cents if you use your points towards a $5 Walmart gift card on Fetch. So it makes it $1.01 for both, or just 51 cents each. So a really nice deal. Oh my gosh, guys, such an amazing deal on this. I can't believe it's not butter. It's the extra creamy variety, the 4-pack sticks. They are $3.98 at Walmart. You're going to want to pick up 2 of them total. We have really high value rebates on Ibotta. It's for $2 back. Then we have Fetch Rewards, actually 2 different Fetch offers. So there's rebates over on Fetch, actually for 400 points back times 2, so 800 points. That is worth 57 cents if you use your Fetch points towards a $5 Walmart gift card. And then we also have a rebate over on Fetch. It's for 1,000 points back when you buy $3 worth. $5 worth. Sorry, $5 worth. 1,000 points back when you buy $5 worth. So that's about 71 cents if you use your fetch points towards a $5 Walmart gift card. So after that, it makes it $2.68 for both, or $1.34 each, which is a really, really good deal. So I wanted to mention that. All right, guys, a pretty good deal for the Dawn Power Suds. It's the ones that are the 13.6 ounce. It has to say the suds on it, Power Suds. They are $3.54. We have a $2 rebate with Walmart Cash. So after that, it would just be $1.54. So, I mean, if you're like loyal to Dawn or whatever, not a bad deal. So I wanted to mention that. All right, so really great deal on the Bactine. It's actually on the like cream. So it's on the ointment 0.5 ounce. Walmart sells them for $4.97. Unfortunately, my store doesn't have them, but they're $4.97. You're gonna buy two. Ibotta has $2.49 back, which you will get back times 2 for buying 2. And then Fetch Rewards has 2,000 points back when you buy 2, which if you use your points towards a $5 Walmart gift card on Fetch, that's $1.42 back. So it makes it $3.54 for both, or $1.77 each. So pretty good savings on this product. Right, a really good deal on these Shea Moisture hair masks. This is really good for like a bonus too on Ibotta. These are $2.97. We have $2.50 back on Ibotta, so it just makes it 47 cents. So a really nice deal for 47 cents. All right, so a really good deal if you can find this at your store. So it's on the Ocean Spray. It's like the Crystal Lights, but it's the Ocean Spray brand. They are $2.48 over here at Walmart. There is a $2 rebate back, making it just 48 cents, which is such a good deal. So you guys can find it at your store. Amazing price. All right, guys, really nice deal on the Caesar dog food pouches. High value rebate. I mean, it's 20 cents, but it's high value, and the item's only 78 cents. These are 78 cents. We have a 20-cent rebate on Ibotta, so it makes them 58 cents each, and a good cheap item towards any bonuses. Deal on the Gatorade water. You're actually looking for the 23.7 ounce. Walmart sells it for $1.68. There's either a printable coupon on coupons.com that popped up for $1 off, or you can submit to Swagbucks for $1 off. Your pick, whichever one you want to do. You can't combine the two together, but you can pick which one you want to do. Makes it 68 cents. So a pretty good deal if you want some Gatorade water. All right, so we still have this really good deal on the Quitch Bug Bite Relief Patches, the 18 count. So these guys are $2 on clearance. We have a really nice rebate on Ibotta for $1.25 back. So it makes them 75 cents. So they're normally $6.77. So this is definitely a good deal. All right, guys, phenomenal deal for the Ballpark Franks. These are normally $3.97, but they're on a rollback for $2.84. Beef Rewards has a really nice rebate. At first glance, it says Beef Franks, but if you click on it, it actually says it works on the Classic Franks too. So read in the fine print. Always read your fine print. They're $2.84. You get back $4.11 when you buy 2 from Beef Rewards, which is 4,110 rewards points. So it's at $1.57 for both, or just 79 cents each. So an amazing deal for these. All right, so a really good deal on this L'Oreal Paris Hydro Renewal like face cream stuff, the 1.7 ounce. This is $6.42 over here at Walmart. We have a rebate over on Ibotta. It's for $5 back, so really high value rebate, but it ends up making it just $1.42. So an excellent deal for the L'Oreal. All right, so we have a super high value rebate on Ibotta for Axe deodorant. So these guys are actually $4.97 at Walmart. We have a rebate on Ibotta for $7 back on 2. So after that rebate, it's going to end up actually making them just $1.47 a stick, which is pretty good. We've gotten deodorant for cheaper, but if you need it, definitely a great savings. So wanted to be sure to mention this one. That's all I got. Hope you all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.